worst way to progress at the gym is guessing your weights. The fastest way is letting AI track it for you. Hi everyone and welcome back to From Thai to Try. I'm Pim and today I'm showing you my AI personal trainer. I built it for free and it lives inside Notion, the same app that I already use for everything. Here is my story. Before, I kept forgetting my last workout and guessing my weight. And honestly, I'm stalling instead of getting stronger. Well, before I built this personal AI trainer in Notion, I have been working out so many years and my muscle just gained a little bit. And you know what? I kept using the same weight every time. So I built something that never lets me guess again. Let me show you. Here is what I built. I have a database with every exercise, my current weight, my current reps, and which day it's for. So let's see my last workout on August 7. In that day, I did bench kickbacks, step ups, dumbbell lunge, and good bridge. And here is the set. I do every exercise with 3 sets and different reps. 19, 12, 15, or 14. And then weight. If have no weight here, that means I might use my only body weight. And then dumbbell for 12.5 kilogram. And have some notes. If you want to know something, you can note it here. So every time that you do new exercise, you can see your current reps that you can do. Now you have the database ready. Next, we will getting ready to work out by talking with AI personal trainer. Now we will open AI in Notion. In the chat, we will track our workout coach skill and then say let's hit. The AI will go back and read your last workout and then it will track your last workout and create new workouts for today. And now it gives me the 4 exercise that I want to do for the workout day. So I have good with pumped 8 kilo dumbbell for 3 sets and 10 reps. And I like the style too because the table style make I can see clearly, like just 2 seconds. I know that what weight I should do or what reps I do in which exercise. So I like this so much, it's so good. And save me time also. The best part is progression rules. So it's give me the workout here and it's also tell me the reason why I need to do this workout with this weight and reps. So it tell me I have catch 15 clean reps everywhere last Sunday. Gorgeous. So I love the language so much. So I don't need to calculate everything myself. The AI coach will calculate for me. It is so good because I don't want to do anything. Just work out and finish. And at the end of the section, when you're done workout, you can tell that in this workout, how you do this, you do 2 sets or 10 reps or 3 sets for 10 reps. You can type it on here. Or if you do everything follow the plan, you just tell log this. I did follow the plan. You can tell this and then AI coach will log the workout for you. So here is log for me. Log gorgeous. Oh, that's so good. You catch every set exactly as planned and then it tell me again what I did. So here number are saved to your logbook and I have updated next session starting point in the exercise database. So here is the database that will go on to logbook here So now it's update my workout. It logs the section and update my coach for next time. So it's never working off old information. If you use Notion for anything already, comment below what you want an AI coach help you track. I might build the next one. And speaking of building one, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to build AI coach skill inside Notion, step by step. I'm Phim and this is from Try to Try, and I will see you in the next video.